We are replacing or 176 your oven temp. The method is actually very similar to using a traditional sour bread recipe. I was saying it right. And they taste like, I believe I am the first one to ever make a sourdough. I've had quite a few requests to create
I'm gonna cut part of this out.
With a lid, or at least something to cover, and your lid and your container depending on how your starter's doing on day 6.
I'm sorry, the swallowing slowed me down.
Okay.
And this one's almond flour.
No, that's pochia. And then when you're ready to use it, you would bring it up to room. So nice, so it's going. You will see it foam up and bubble, and that's mostly of the pot. What did I say? You will see it foam up and bubble.
No, I needed to hand it out.
It is so good for me. The nutritional. I hope you feel that this recipe looks easy. Stop it, Bob. We're making pumpkin treat. And if you want a link to her recipe, I will leave the link. If you want.
I honestly can't tell the difference.
So, click on this recipe here, okay, and bake for about 5.
Transition this properly.